Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sell print-on-demand product on Shopify. So you can use whatever provider that you have. If you know any other platform besides the one that I'm going to show you in this video, you can totally use that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell print-on-demand products specifically from Printify. I think a lot of you have heard about Printify before. Printify is a platform that allows you to create a store and then design some stuff and sell it. And all you have to do is just design the stuff, upload it, and that is all. The provider is provided by Printify. You can just choose the one that are the best for you, and then the delivery process and everything else is being taken care of. Now, if you need other store or if you need another sales channel to broaden your business and you would like to sell your product outside of Printify, you can actually use Shopify as one of Printify's partner, and it is very easy to do. So there are two ways that you can do to connect Shopify to Printify. Both of them works the same. Both of them are basically the same, but I'm just going to show you the two ways that you can do it. So the first one is by going to Shopify and then search for Printify on Shopify apps. I've already installed Printify into my Shopify, so once I try to search for the app and then I click on it, it's just going to show the app on my Shopify dashboard. But if you haven't installed it into your Shopify yet, this is probably what it will look like. So I'm just going to go to Shopify App Store real quick and then try to search for Printify. Alright, so this is how it looks like, and then all you have to do is click on install. So if you haven't installed it yet, this black button is going to say install, so you just have to go ahead and click on it. And once it's done, you will have the Printify dashboard on your Shopify. So this is how Printify dashboard looks like on its own platform. As you can see, it is very similar, if not the same. So you'll be able to connect your Printify into your Shopify. Obviously, you're going to have to set up a store in both places, or if not a store, you need to have an account in both places, both Shopify and Printify, in order to be able to connect these two together. Now the second way is by connecting your Printify to Shopify through Printify. It sounds complicated. I assure you it's not. So on Printify, if you go to your store, you'll be able to see manage my store options and add a new store. If you go ahead and click and add a new store right off the bat, you'll be able to see this selections of sales channels that you can connect to Printify. There's Etsy, there is TikTok, there is Printify pop-up, there's eBay, there's Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, etc. Obviously, you're going to want to click on Shopify, and then all you have to do is paste on your Shopify URL, and you can find your Shopify URL on your settings right here, and then go to domain. And this is the URL that you can copy, or you can also just go to your online store, click on view your store, and then copy on the website URL right here and paste it into your Printify. And then it's going to bring you back to your Shopify, and you can continue the step from there. So it's very easy. That is all you have to do. And next, once you're done connecting this to platform, what you're going to do is you're going to want to start and designing your product. So again, open your Printify app on your Shopify, and then you're going to want to go into the sections right here. This is a bestseller sections. You can try to search for a product through there, or you can also just go to their catalog and choose on the product that you want. I'm just going to go ahead with the one that is appearing on the bestseller sections right here. And let's say that I want to design this sweatshirt, hooded sweatshirts right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And just like how you will see it on Printify, you'll be able to see the provider info and then the overall descriptions of the product, the size guide, and then some recommendation. And usually Printify will choose the best printing provider according to their judgment. But if you would like to see more options, all you have to do is click on this show additional providers, and then it's going to show you some other providers that you can choose on. When you're trying to choose a provider, make sure to take the review feedback and then the shipping cost as well as the original cost into consideration, so that you will know that the printing provider that you choose is indeed the one that is the best for you, your area, and your business in general. And you can also take a look at the available color in case you have specific colors in mind for your design, and make sure that the printing provider that you choose do have that color available on their warehouse. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the provider that Printify have chosen for me, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on start designing. Now if you feel like this page right here looks a little bit annoying because it's too small, all you have to do is click open full site, and then it's going to bring you into Printify itself. But I'm just going to continue and edit my designs from here. So here I got the hoodie, and you can start designing by using the help of AI image generator that Printify have. You can insert some prompt, or you can even choose some drawing or some pictures from the AI image gallery, or you can just add some text by clicking on this add text sections, or use their graphic. But my favorite method is, as always, going to be using Canva as my design source. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload some design that I've created on Canva. Alright, so I got this cat pictures that I've created a while back with Canva AI image generator, and then let's say I want this hooded sweatshirt to be available in white and black. And then I'm also going to take a look at the preview of the product and see how it looks like in real life. And this is how it looks like. If you click on preview, you'll be able to see how the product will look like in real life. And I think it looks pretty nice. And if you need this for other shop, or maybe you just need these pictures for your marketing, you can also download the mockup. I'm just going to continue and save this product, and then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and edit on the details of the product. So for example, right now the title is the exact same title with the original product, which is unisex heavy blend TM hooded sweatshirts, and I'm just going to change it into cat hooded sweatshirt. And you can change the descriptions if you want, make it more personalized, and maybe have some terms and condition of your own if you want. Then you can add the size table to descriptions if you want. I think it's going to be helpful, so I'm just going to add it there. Then you can add some tags, you can edit the shipping method, you can edit the pricing if you want. And once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and click on publish. And then you can take a look at the product if you would want to edit any further by going to the product sections on the left side of the screens right here. And then there you have it, you got your product created. And you can also edit the product in the form of Shopify editor, because before we published the product earlier, we are in the Printify product editor. And if you would like to edit it on the Shopify form, all I have to do is go to the product and then click on the product sections right here, and then you can edit it on Shopify form. Now, one of the things that you will have to pay attention to if you want to sell print on demand product, especially from Printify, is that they don't support a lot of currency. So I think the most working currency will be either it's pound sterling or USD. And it's going to be a little bit tricky for you if you have a store with the currency of other than the currency that I've just said. You can go to Printify and check more details about it, but make sure that you converted the currency of the one that is provided from Printify into the currency that you have on your store. Because my store are using rupiah, and as you can see, the price that are stated here are actually the dollar price. So I will have to convert it, or I will have to change the currency of my store into the one that Printify have. So that is definitely one thing that you will want to think about when you're trying to sell from Printify into Shopify. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at the product page on my website. And this is what it looks like. It got the variant, it got the color selection, as well as the table, the size table of the product. And that's basically it. That is how you can sell print-on-demand product on Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.